talked about how the economy would probably grow between 7 and 7.75% next fiscal year. That's the year until March 2017. But in the longer term, he's talking about 8 to 10% growth, but only if India does a whole bunch of serious reforms like investing in education. The growth, he suggests, is going to level off pretty much in the coming year, if not fall from the 7.6% in the current year because of the world economic situation, which he described as extraordinarily grim. The risks are really about the world economy. Exports have been falling. There's the risk that the China slowdown will develop into something much more serious for the whole world. We've already seen world trade on a downward path around the globe. So India is going to suffer from that. And if there's also problems with agriculture and the monsoon, then those will be big problems for India. But there's also the question of policy and what the government needs to get through in terms of reforms. It's done a little bit, but it needs to do a lot more. There's a lot of disappointment that the government hasn't been able to get through the goods and services tax that they've been trying to do for more than a year now, because of the opposition blocking it in the parliament. So that's number one. That would make India into a more viable single market. Then there's the issue of the very slow rate of selling off state companies, which would raise money for the budget. And lastly, the issue of subsidy reform and trying to rationalize subsidies so that they really go to the poor.